Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the maximum on the interval from a to b, that is in here. So the first thing we need to do, we need to put about 0.5 and number 1 go to this function in here. So this one, we put 0.5 in here and 0.5 in here. So we have 4/3. Now we put number 1 go in here. Negative number 1. Now the next one, we need to find first the derivative of the function. So in this one, we can apply about the quotient rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to a over b. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we need to do first the derivative of a multiplied by b minus we do first the derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b squared. Now we can apply this formula for this one. So a that is about this one, b that is about this one. So in this situation, we have like this. Next, we can apply the power rule of the derivative. So we have y equal to s to the power of n. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. So in this situation, this one that is about number 1. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 1s to the power of 1 minus 1. So this one we have number 1 because s to the power of number 0, we have number 1. So this one we have number 1. So that means this one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. So now we just have only number 4. This one, we have 2s minus number 2. So we put number 2 go in here. So we have 2s to the power of 2 minus 1. So number 2 minus 1, we have number 1. That's why we have s to the power of number 1. And n equals to number 2 will be in here. And now we can simplify this one. So we have like this. And now I will put this one equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. So we just have only this one equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solution of this one. So we can find about the critical points and critical values in here. So when we try to find the solution, we don't have the solution of this one. That means we don't have critical points and critical values. So in this situation, we just compare this number in here and this number in here. So we can say that 4/3 is bigger than negative number 1. So the maximum of this one on the interval 0.5 and number 1 in here, that should be about 4/3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.